Alright, so today's video is going to be a hair mask tutorial. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I get my honey avocado hair mask, which is extremely moisturizing to my natural hair and also aids in hair growth. So I do want to mention that you can use this hair mask at any point in your natural hair journey to reintroduce moisture into your natural hair, but specifically for me today, I'm using it as a pre-poo, which is the step before I shampoo my natural hair. If you guys are interested in watching this hair mask tutorial, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so the first ingredient we're going to include in today's hair mask is going to be this avocado. Now, for time purposes, I've already split the avocado in half. I'm just going to lay the other half down, grab this ball out, and we're going to scoop the rest of the avocado from both halves into this bowl and just mash it into the bowl with a fork. All right, so I love adding avocados to any hair mask just because of the amazing benefits that it gives. So it's extremely moisturizing to the hair strands. It also contains some natural oils which are beneficial for all hair types. Not only that, but it also minimizes breakage, hydrates your strands, and just leaves you with strong hair overall. All right, following that is going to be some extra virgin olive oil. This has been a staple since day one. I use this to seal in moisture all of the time. And anytime I am applying this oil, it leaves me with a healthier scalp and really makes my hair feel soft and smooth. Okay, so next we're gonna drop in this peppermint oil. Now, I love the freshness of this oil. It smells exactly like peppermint and it leaves my scalp feeling tingly. It also increases blood circulation to the scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. All right, following that up with some tea tree oil. Now, if you suffer from flakes or just dryness in general, I highly recommend this oil. It's just really moisturizing and soothing to the scalp and it reduces the urge to itch as well. Okay, we're gonna follow that up with this jojoba oil. This is another fave of mine. It is an anti-inflammatory oil which moisturizes the scalp, minimizes breakage, and promotes healthy hair growth and thickness, and it also creates a healthy environment for your scalp. All right, and then the last ingredient is going to be this raw unfiltered Texas honey. Not only do I use this in all of my healthy oatmeal recipes, but it also is beneficial when it comes to hair masks. Now, remember, the goal is to redeposit moisture back into my natural hair, and honey is another beneficial product that acts as a moisturizer and also adds shine to my natural hair. And after the application, my hair feels soft and smooth, restored, and also nourished. So I absolutely love this ingredient. It's definitely a staple in any hair mask. All right, for the final step, we're just gonna mix everything all together with this little popsicle stick. And I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up so you can just get a really nice look at the texture of this mask. And there are some avocado chunks, which I will take care of, which will actually disappear once I actually put it onto my hair. So don't worry about that. Just enjoy the look of this mask and we're going to go ahead and get into the application. Okay, so to start off the application, I'm actually just going to kind of feather my ends a little bit and get them ready for manipulation. All right, get them nice and stretched. All right, surprisingly, my hair still feels really, really moisturized. Like, I don't know if you can see the shine, but my hair is still moisturized underneath my protective styles, which I absolutely love because it makes this process of, your wash day after your protective style just so much easier. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take our spray bottle. All right, it just has water in it. And I'm going to spritz my ends first and then just spritz the section. All right, massage that water in throughout the strands. Okay. And then next I'm going to be taking my fave. All right, this is the Aussie Moist Miracle Conditioner, and this is how it looks. All right, so this has been a staple since day one, and it's just really moisturizing to my hair, and it also helps whenever I am detangling my hair. It just makes the process a lot easier. So I'm going to smooth this throughout my hair from roots all the way to my ends. All right, massage it in. And then I'm going to focus just a little bit specifically on the ends. All right. And so this product is what's going to give me a little bit more slip and then the mask itself is what's gonna put moisture into my actual hair strands. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Felicia brush. All right, and we are going to work this end, starting at the roots, and then just slowly, or starting at the roots, starting at the end, and then working our way up to the roots. All right, now normally I would go in with my wide tooth comb, but because this brush just works so well on my natural hair, I don't mind, you know, just using this alone. All right, so now that I've got my hair nice and prepped and ready to go, I am going to take the mixture and dip in this little applicator brush here that you would use to like color your hair or dye it. I am actually going to use this for my pre-poo application. So got a little bit on my brush right here, and I'm actually going to brush it on the roots first. All right. So just brush it through and take your time. And I'm also smoothing it through as well. All right, and then another main focus is going to be on my ends. All right, so this mask is extremely moisturizing to my natural hair, and I just love the way it feels in combination with the conditioner. It's just all around like one of the best ways to detangle natural kinky 4C hair without any stress. So yeah, as you can see, it's just super easy for me to get through my hair with this product. And basically I'm just gonna apply just a little bit more. All right, and then stroke it through one more time. All right, and look how easily this brush just glides through my strands. All right, so you definitely want to try out this process. Now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and do a 2-strand twist. And for my wash day, I actually like to keep my hair in twist when I do my washes, so that just makes the process a lot easier. All right, and I'm just going to twist it all the way down, twirl it in my fingers, and that section is complete. All right, so I'm just going to repeat this process on the rest of my hair until I am officially done with this entire process. Okay, and also I do want to mention that anytime I am going through another section, I do take a paper towel like you see here. I rip off a piece and I clean my hands so that I can remove any shed hairs or anything that I have on my hands so that I don't redeposit it on the next section that I'm going to be detangling. All right, and then I also take any hair tools that I am using. I check them to see if they have excessive hair on them so that I'm not redepositing those hairs back into my hair. If I see some hair on my hair tools, I am going to remove them and then basically get ready to prep the next section. All right, so that is important. You do want to, anytime you're detangling your hair, you want to make sure that you are cleaning your tools on a regular basis, just to make sure you minimize as many shed hairs from getting back into your hair as possible. Okay, so I am all done with the application, and at the end of my application, I actually like to take my spray bottle and just spritz it on my hair just to make sure that I keep it nice and wet. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so y'all can see the back. Okay, so now I'm just going to place my shower cap on top of the hair mask, and I'm going to allow this to sit for maybe 25 minutes to an hour. And you can apply more than one shower cap if you want to generate some additional heat. For me, I'm just going to apply only one today, and I'm going to allow this to sit for about 25 minutes to an hour. And then at that point, I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'll come back on camera and let you guys see my hair before I actually get into the rest of my routine. Okay, so I am back, and I'm just patting my hair dry just for the purposes of this video. Typically, I would transition directly from my pre-poo into my normal wash day routine. All right, but because I'm trying to come back on camera so I can let you guys see my hair, I'm just gonna pat it dry just a little bit. All right, so this is how my hair looks. Now, I know it looks a little crazy, but this is my natural 4C hair. This is what it does once you apply a bunch of water to it. So as you can see here, all of my strands have shrinkage, but my hair feels really, really good, and I feel really, really comfortable going into the next steps of my natural wash day, just because everything feels cleansed, but my hair does not feel so brittle, so dry, and I just love the effect that masks have in general on my natural hair. Alright, but at this point, to wrap up the video, I am going to take this little cute scarf that I purchased off Amazon and just apply it to my hair like this. Alright guys, so that is it for my pre-poo mask routine. So I'm going to go into the rest of my wash day routine right after this, but I wanted to come on camera just to wrap up this video. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with all of your family and friends, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!